Good morning students. This video is for class 4 maths, and today I am going to write about different terms of to know the basic of geometry. So write few terms of geometry. Chapter 13, that is geometry, and in the last class I have already explained different shapes of geometry. Today I will write few terms of geometry. Number 1, point. A dot on a plane surface. Number 2, line. A straight path that does not have a starting and ending point. So a straight path that does not have a starting or a ending point, and the symbol of that is arrow and arrow on the both side. Now if you want to represent any angle, then what you have to do, you have to write that alphabet and you have to represent by arrow on both the end. Number 3, line segment. You write a straight path that has both starting and ending point. So a line segment is a straight path which has fixed point, that means fixed length of measurement. So the symbol for this is, after drawing a line, you'll put two dots on both the end of the line. Next is a ray. So write this, I am erasing this. Number 4 is a ray. What is a ray? A ray is also a part of the line which has starting point but no ending point. A ray is a part of a line which has starting point but no ending point, and the symbol will be, one side will be dot and followed by an arrow on the other side. So these are few terms to know for basic geometry. Now next you have types of line. So to continue they have given you different types of line. Now I'll give you different types of line today itself along with the shape, and whenever they ask you, especially in the exam, you will not only write the name but also draw the shape. So I'm erasing everything here. And make sure when you draw the line you use a scale to draw. Do not use free hand to draw the shape. Now, types of line. Types of lines. Number one is curved line. And curved line, you will draw any shape. You can draw any shape you feel like, any shape. But that is, curved line should not be straight, and you should put arrow mark on both ends because it is a curved line. Line does not have a starting and ending point. So this arrow mark represents that it does not have a starting or ending point. Number 2, horizontal line. Horizontal lines, a line that is lying flat. This is horizontal. Number 3, you will write vertical line. Vertical line is a line straight upright. This is vertical line. Number 4, slanting or sloping lines. Anything that is not straight, that is not horizontal or vertical. That means it is little bit tilted. It is not only necessary that it will be in the left side, but it can be right side also. Like it can be this way also. It is not necessary. A line that is not horizontal or vertical, it is a straight line. It is a sloping line. Number 5, perpendicular line. A horizontal line where a vertical line meets. This is your perpendicular line. That means horizontal lines where a vertical line meets a horizontal line. This is perpendicular line. Next, I am erasing this. Next, you have number 6, parallel lines. Parallel lines are those lines which will never meet each other. Two lines that will never meet each other, no matter how far you stretch them, like the railway tracks, they will never meet each other. So, and this is represented by 2 arrows. These 2 arrows means they are parallel to each other. Number 7, intersecting line. Intersecting lines, that means lines that intersect each other, that means they cut each other. Lines that cut each other are known as intersecting lines. So I hope all of you have understood this, what are the different types of line, and there will be many. So almost all different types of line I have written. So all of you will learn these types of line along with the shape, how they look like. So children, for today we will keep it till here. In the next class we will start with the exercise that is 13.1 and so on. I have given you basic concept, basic ideas about it, and as we move on with the chapters I will keep on giving you few ideas about geometry. So children, for today up to this much. Thank you class.